So you are welcome to how do I get the sources of the material used for this article or your thesis or your project. This video introduces a package, a software which can help you to handle this challenge, and I will be introducing and also show you how to make use of Zotero in writing your project or your article for easy citation and references. So this is the Zotero after you have installed it on your system. In the next video I will be showing you how to install the Zotero on your laptop in case you are yet to have it. But for this video, just pay attention as I run through it. So here are some of the collection that I have for various work. So if you are new on this Zotero after you have signed in with your Gmail, what you need to do is just create collection. So if I'm working on a new project now, I can just go to new collection with the title of the work. So if what I'm working on is AI and science education, all I have to do is to create this collection. So once I've created this collection, I have a folder for this work. So each paper I want to use here, this is the folder I will have it. Like I'm trying to sort out and also categorize my work into a collection. So there are various ways of adding your paper under your Zotero so that it can be visible for you under your MS Word to cite. So let me quickly show you my MS Word. If you come to my MS Word here, I've also installed the extension for Zotero on this MS Word. So when you check this taskbar, my menu bar, you will see Zotero there. So there is a part with add stroke edit citation, and you also have add or edit bibliography. So for this case, what I'm going to do and start with is going to be the add or edit citation. So if I've typed something like science education is defined as the art. So if I have this and I want to add a citation to this, all I need to do is go to my Google Scholar. If I'm using Google Scholar, I can come here just to type science education. So if I have this, I can just pick anyone since I'm just trying to so there are several ways of adding your references to Zotero, and I'll be showing us how to go about that. So like we have 3 or 4 ways to do that, so that you can go with the best option that you prefer. Now I can decide to add by copying this link, the DOI, because on Zotero you can add through your DOI. So you will come to this point, this arrow, it will ask you to enter the DOI or ISBN number or the ADS BIP code. So since I've copied the DOI, I'm going to paste it here and click enter. So you will notice that this paper have already appeared here on my Zotero. The laboratory in science education, that's the title. So I can come to this other side, because at times you will add some paper, you need to check this side if all the required information are complete. So for instance, I have my author, all the authors are here, the publication are here. This publication here is the name of the journal. So if after you have added your article or your book chapter or your book to this Zotero and you notice this publication is blank, you can just go back to the article and add the journal name there. So the date also is very important, the volume number, issue number, and also the page number. You can see the DOI here. So for this I have a perfect article added already. So if I want to cite this article here, what I need to do now on my Word document is on my office is just click on this add citation. So if you are opening it for the first time, it will ask you if it is APA, upper style. So we have different style there depending on what you are working with. So if I'm working with this, I can click on APA style 7th edition. So I will click on OK. So this is what I want to cite, and since I've been using it for a while, you will notice that we have different. If I begin to type, it will bring several articles, several books I've added to my Zotero. But this is the one I need now to cite here, so I will click on it. If I also want to cite more than one, I can also enter the next one I want to cite, the name. So if it is Abimbola, I can add this. So if I also need to cite 3, I can also check. If I want to cite Anifowoshe, I can just type Anifowoshe since I've added it to my work. So I will also do that. If I click enter, so you will notice that I have all my citation here already. So now that's one way of adding article or book to your Zotero. Another way also is for my own browser, I've also installed the add-in. That is, I've installed an extension to my Chrome and also my browser, Brave browser, which can help me to quickly save from web without copying the DOI. So if I need to cite this, I can just open this also. So I'm trying to open that. This is a book chapter, a chapter in the book. So if this has opened, I can come here. This is my extension. So you will see save to Zotero. So if I click on this, automatically it will go to my Zotero app. I can also come here to still check for another one. This is still another one from Elsevier, which I'm trying to open. So I'm just trying to show us several ways at which we can add our article in your book to your Zotero so that it can be available in your office for you to cite. So if I have this, the first method is to copy the DOI, add it on Zotero. So the method I'll be using here now is I will save this from my add-in that I've added to my browser. So if I click on this, so you will notice it's showing saving to AI and science education. So if I come back to my Zotero, you will notice that this paper is already here. I hope we can see that. So this is the paper. For us to confirm, you can see the Kubila is the first author. So if I come back here, you will also see this Kubila here. So that means it has been added. If I need to cite this paper, Challenges for Science Education, I can just come to my Word document, type science. I've experienced several challenges. So in this case, I cannot click on add citation, and I click on this new one I just added, press enter. So you will also notice that I have it there already. So another thing I also need to show us, in case you have a PDF already that you have downloaded and you would like to add it to your Zotero. So just click on it, then you drag. So you drag it to the Zotero and place it there. So on Zotero you can copy and paste. This is very important for us to take note. But if I download a paper, I can now begin to add the paper to my to my Zotero. For instance, I'm trying to check for articles that I can add to my Zotero. So I think this should be an article. So I've added this. You will notice that I have it there already, wishing and let's see. So if the year is missing, I've explained that just insert the volume, the issue, and that will make it complete. So another thing I also need to show us here, in case you want to cite, and for instance, if I want to say that Adeduyibe, the usual way would have been Adeduyibe proposed that Adeduyibe 2025 proposed, there will be a comma here, proposed that science education. So if I want to use Zotero for this, what I need to do is I will just type the name only. So I will come here, add citation. So since I have the Adeduyibe 2025 here already, I will click on it. So I will come to this arrow here, click on it, classic view. From there, I will just click on omit author. So I will click OK. So this will give me this 2025, and what this will do is, by the time I want to generate my bibliography, I will not have to be looking for the references up and down. So if you are through with your work, all you just need to do is to write references. So once you are done with your work, so even though if you are yet to finish, you can save your work, come back to it, your work will be there even without generating the bibliography at this level. So what I need to do now, if I finish this whole work, probably it takes me 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and I'm coming back to generate my bibliography. What I need to do is just to click on add. So everything will come under this. All the references that I've made, you can see Abimbola, Adeduyibe, Kaftan, Omilani. So this will save you from any stress of looking for paper to your, where are your references, how will you locate them. So I will also like you to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to also share with your friend. In the next video, I will be explaining how to install Zotero on your laptop, and also how to add the extension to your